Hi, I'm Eddie, the Becca cooking specialist. Today we'll be doing a comparison between cleaning with our steam oven and our pyro oven. What we've done is set up a control testing by putting in a roast in each one, both at the same temperature. So as you can see, we're trying to get that crackle nice and crispy. And then again, same in our pyro oven. At 250 degrees, same size, same weight, to be able to get a controlled environment. And we will show you some results a bit later. So our roasts are now cooked, so I'll turn off both the ovens. We will then take them out, starting with our pyro oven first. And as you can see, nice and hot, cooked all the way through with a nice crispy crackling. And now I'll get the one out of our steam oven. And again, cooked nicely through and ready to go. So as you can see, our ovens are now nice and splashed all the way through there, and you can see that both in our steam and our pyro, it's almost identical in the splattering that they have. So, but to make them a little bit more messy, we're going to add some sausages as well. So I've selected the grill function in both our ovens to put the sausages in, first into our steam oven, and now into our pyro. And we will check again on these once they're done. So our sausages are ready, so we'll just switch them off again, and again, just take it out of our pyro oven first. And now our steam. I must say these are probably the healthiest sausages I've ever bought. And then we'll leave both ovens to cool so we can actually run a pyro and a steam clean in the morning. So following from yesterday, we have allowed our steam assisted oven and our pyrolytic oven to sit overnight. As you can see, they've both got equal amounts of residue throughout the ovens. And what we will do from here is we will select the cleaning functions on each one, and then we will show you some results after we are done. And now for our pyro oven. So our steam assisted oven has finished its cleaning cycle now. Let's have a look at the results. So as you can see, it's still all throughout. Now we'll quickly start wiping the surfaces, and we will show you some results. So we finished wiping out the oven, and as you can see, it definitely has removed a lot of the gunk that was in there, and you can see the results for yourself. We will now wait for our pyro oven to finish its cycle. It's still an hour and 17 minutes to go. So as per the instructions, our pyro has now finished. I'm just reinstalling the racking in there, which needs to be removed for the pyro clean. Take it in, and you can see the results for yourself. We are yet to wipe this out. This is just as it has finished. So now we will give it a quick wipe, as per the other one, with a dry cloth. And you again can see the results for yourself just after one quick wipe. So I hope our comparison between our steam assisted model and pyrolytic model cleaning functions is helpful to you when making a decision.